Hello, what's going on, everyone? This is a quick overview of the Ridgewater Community made by Mattamy Homes, located here in South Charlotte. We're going to take a quick glance over the community before we go look into the Amelia Floorplan. Now, again, this community is in South Charlotte. It's eligible for 100% financing by USDA. And when you have us as your buyer's representative, it's 100% free for you, and you get a 1% buyer's credit on your purchase price when you have us representing you. This floor plan has a 3-car garage. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom house with just over 2,600 square feet. Now, the owner's suite is on the main level, so that's very convenient for people that do not want to travel up and down the stairs to get to their owner's suite. Let's take a look inside. When you come inside, you have this flex area where you can use it as an office or a sitting area. Going through to the left, you have a half bath. To the right, you have the garage door. This opens up to the kitchen, an open living area. Perfect for entertaining. Everybody can be part of the conversation. And if you look straight back, you see it opening out to a deck, which you can take advantage of. Now, this floor plan pricing starts in the low 300s. This Ridgewater community in South Charlotte is eligible for 100% financing. Yes, you heard that correctly. 100% financing with a USDA loan. Please reach out to me for more information and details on that. I'm going to be quiet for a second and just let the camera roll and let you see the downstairs and what it all has to offer. Now let's head on to the owner's section of the first floor. You have the laundry room right here, which is very convenient. Then you go into the owner's suite. You see the tray ceilings walking into the owner's bathroom. Dual vanity sinks. You have the tub with the separate shower. Now let's head into the closet, the walk-in closet. Here we are, we're about to head upstairs. Now, once you get upstairs, you'll see this amazing loft area, perfect for entertaining and to just get away and relax after an evening. The whole family just could be up here playing games, watching TV, just enjoying each other's company. And this option of the Amelia has a 4th bedroom. This is it, with the 3rd full bathroom. It's almost like another owner's suite. Now I'm going to be quiet for a second and let you get a look and feel for this room, this almost 2nd owner's suite upstairs. Now let's head to the other wing of the upstairs, where you have another bathroom for the 2 rooms on this wing upstairs. Here you have 2 good-sized rooms, perfect for kids. And each of them have substantial walk-in closets as well. If any of you have any questions regarding the Ridgewater community or buying a home here in the Charlotte area, a new construction or just a resale home, please reach out to us. We would love to help you and guide you along your house buying process. And remember, it is 100% free for you to have an advocate and a realtor represent you and your best interest. Also, when you go through us and buying new home construction, you get that 1% buyer's rebate, that 1% of the purchase price. That is an added bonus that you should take advantage of. We look forward to hearing from you.